Klaus community. If you love computers and wish you knew more about them but don't have enough time to be able to build computers, I try and make an ebook every other week, depending on how much time it's going to take me and how long it's going to take throughout the week. But I put links in these ebooks so you can click on them, and if you make a purchase, I may receive compensation with no additional cost to you. Not only computers, I try and make ebooks on sim racing as well, because I know it can be extremely frustrating with all the different wheel hubs, shifters, pedals, etc. They can be up there in price, and if you don't want to do it for a main hobby or main career, you won't be wanting to spend lots of money on your sim setup. So I'm going to try and make different types of ebooks depending on what you are trying to do. If that is gamers trying to just get into computers, if that is people that are trying to stream and play games at the same time, if it's people that just want to be able to do all of this. I am going to also be doing this with sim racing as well. Different sim setups and brands that may help you in the long run. So I know it can be extremely frustrating because you don't have enough time and don't want to put in enough time. So I will be that person that will do all of this. I've already put in a significant amount of years, probably told you this in my other videos, that I've dedicated a significant amount of years to understanding a lot of this stuff because of certain situations in my life that weren't allowing me to do it before, or people that try and take advantage of you and just want to steal your money. I won't be that person. I will try and do my best for every single one of you, and I know in the long run we can build a really good community. So if you want to follow my journey and want to be a part of it, please follow. I am also going to be posting this on my other socials, so if you see this again, it's probably on my other channel, and there's nothing wrong with that. Just if you don't want to watch it, you don't have to watch it again. So I appreciate you listening to this, putting in time throughout your day to be able to understanding what I'm trying to accomplish for others, because I just want to help. I want to help those that don't know a lot about this and want to learn, because I know a lot of people like to take advantage of others. And I know this because it's happened to me, and I don't want that to be happening to any of you. So follow along if you enjoy what I'm teaching, what I'm showing, and so on. I also am going to be making a YouTube video for a client that I am building a computer for. It's a 1080p 240 plus gaming computer that is capable of doing what he wants to do. I will also put in other affiliate links for other similar products if you are wanting to follow along. It'll be the same name as is on my TikTok. I follow that name throughout all my other social medias, unless it is my alternate channel for gaming. I have a gaming channel. I like posting more on this one because it just gets it out there to more people. So if you see me gaming on this channel as well, that is probably why. I like gaming a lot. I'm trying to build my own sim racing setup right now, so I got affiliated with a lot of brands to be able to do this and be able to show them what they're capable of performing, because I know there's a lot of brands out there, and people are going to want to base their stuff off of the brands they put their stuff towards. Just like Ford, people go with Ford, Chevy people go with Chevy, Dodge people go with Dodge, so on and so forth. This is pretty much the same aspect. It's just depending on what brand you are wanting to be with and what brand you support. So I thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to what I have to say. And have a good rest of your day. And happy holidays.